So I seen the old school of everything on paper, everything manual, and all the administration behind it all. And as we started to roll the electronics out and the GPS tracking out, you know, I had to figure out a way from an approach of having came up through the ranks within the company, back whenever the company had first started, how do I sell these things? Because you've got drivers that just thought this is the way it's supposed to be. It was kind of interesting. We approached a terminal, 72 drivers, in January of 2006. It was about 60 days after we finished the rollout, and I had one of our guys that had been with the company over 20 years, and I had actually trained him on a truck many years before. He calls me. I said, okay. I said, there's something wrong. He says, I'm refusing. I'm not going back around paper logs. I said, well, if you remember right, about a year ago, we done a test at your terminal, and you told me you wasn't going to run electronic logs. You need to make a decision. Within 2 years from the electronic logs, we rolled out electronic post-trip inspections, driver vehicle inspection reports. And when we done that, those guys, I think they worshiped what we had done. The most recent one we just tested, tried, and everybody's fussing that they want it in their truck, and we're trying to get it as quickly as we can as we put scanners. So you actually fill a piece of paper, but instead of worrying about getting back to the terminal and scanning it and doing all kinds of things with paperwork, when you load the load, you scan and it goes to the headquarters of the company. You know, the cost of retraining and retooling a driver, to go out and hire a driver today, I think I'd be conservative. I'd say you'd spend $7,000 plus. It helps us retain drivers by, I know I'm getting paid for the hours I work. I know there's always greener grass, you know, in the transportation industry. I know I'm going to be paid a guaranteed pay if I stay here. It allows us to have, you know, increased retention and lower turnover. And we use technology as an optimal to draw people to us and then keep them there once we've got them on board.